Hi, good morning from Toulouse, and today is going to be a very special day because this beautiful bird, the Airbus A350-1000, is going to be delivered to Doha before it goes into service on Saturday between Qatar and London Heathrow. So I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be sitting in the famous Qsuite, which is their business class product. They say first in business, and I know it's an event flight. It's going to be a bit different from the real experience, but I'm going to showcase you what it's like to travel on their business class. So I'm very excited about it. Can't wait to take you on that flight, and I think the next 6 hours is going to be very eventful. So yeah, let's get started. So, boarding the Airbus A350-1000. Very excited about it, can't wait. So, let's see what to expect on board.
Good morning, good
How
morning.
are you?
We are very good now. Very good to see you with us.
Beautiful.
9A, my colleague will be
Hey,
assisting you.
nice to see you again.
You too, Mr. Cahill.
Good morning. There we are.
So welcome to First Class in Business. This is how Qatar Airways loves to advertise its premium business class product, the world famous Qsuite. And let me tell you, it is the best business class I've ever flown in. But let me also welcome you on the very first Airbus A350-1000, which was delivered from Toulouse to Doha on this very special day. I also want you to lean back and enjoy this takeoff by the Airbus 350, which has the two strongest engines in the world by Rolls-Royce, which produce a 98,000 pound force of thrust during the takeoff, which is incredible. Oh, but now let me talk you through the amazing Qsuite, the first in business, as Qatar loves to say. And this is a little reading light right there, followed by the sliding door, which you can use for full privacy. And then down here, this is where most of your stuff is stored, as well as your amenity kit. Inside, you will find a few magazines, a bottle of water, and your noise cancelling headphones, but if you wish to, you can store other things in there as well. Also, on every flight on the Qsuite, you have bedding, a blanket, as well as this pillow provided, which you can take back home as a souvenir. And there we go. If you have to make any purchases, just tap your credit card right there. You have a USB slot here and a power plug, as well as those buttons to operate your seat where you can go fully flat. And there you go. This is the little remote control. With this remote control, you can operate the screen in front of you, but you can also use the touchscreen function on the screen itself. Here is a bit of more storage space, a little table where you can put a laptop or your coffee. And there you go. This is the screen. Not as big as an Emirates first class, but still bigger than the average screen on your business class flights. There you go, foldable table, which sometimes is a bit tricky to release, as you can see right there. anyways, it's still a great product. So you also get a pair of black slippers and a pajama if you wish to sleep. They're extremely comfortable. I can only recommend them. And something that has changed from the previous 350-900 is that the button to dim your window has been moved to the top and it's not on the bottom anymore. So you click it once and your window blinds just come down automatically. Loving it. Qsuite, amazing. It was a fairly short flight and we left in the morning. There was only breakfast served, but what I love about Qatar Airways is that you can dine on demand, which means you can eat during any time of the flight. So if you're too tired in the beginning of the flight, you just want to sleep and eat later, it's not a problem. You just tell your cabin crew whenever you want to eat and they prepare a fresh, nice, warm meal for you, which I love. It's a great concept. Since this was a very special and historical flight, even the CEO of Qatar Airways, Akbar Al-Bakar, was on the flight as well, and he actually took the time to talk to all of us. And he is a man who turned a regional airline into the best of the world. That is incredible. Right here, inside the flight deck of the Airbus A350-1000.
We are now 57. I got to see if we can avoid cold. This is not one of the best that I have ever seen.
So apart from visiting the flight deck, which was probably one of the most amazing moments of my life, I also got to meet one of my favorite YouTubers in the world, Stefan from Global Traveler TV, as well as James from Speedbird UK, Sam, we all know Sam, and Raj, the London spotter. Make sure you follow those guys as well.
Can I tell you something? I had hundreds of flights in business class or first class or whatever, but nobody has ever prepared the bed as lovely and as amazing as you did.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, I will.
So that must be probably the most comfortable bed in the skies. I can vouch for this. And on top of that, if you actually want to check your emails or you want to browse the internet a little bit, all Qatar Airways airplanes have Wi-Fi connectivity, so which means you can connect to the internet during any time of the flight. And on top of that, you get 20 megabytes for free if you want to. Once you ran out of the 20 megabyte internet allowance, not a problem, because Qatar Airways provides the Rx1 Entertainment System, which is one of the most advanced entertainment systems on any aircraft. It offers over 4,000 options of movies, documentaries, and even cartoons and Disney movies for the little ones. So let me tell you, you definitely won't get bored on your Qatar Airways flight, that's for sure. So we all need to use it from time to time, the bathroom, and sometimes those toilets can be in a very bad stage, but not with Qatar Airways because it provides those little amenities, as well as razors and toothbrushes if you want to. But if you're a germ freak and you hate touching the toilet or anything inside the bathroom, not a problem, because the lid of the toilet actually closes automatically. I've never seen anything like this before, but it's just good news if you don't like to touch anything inside the bathroom. Otherwise, it's just a standard bathroom like on any other aircraft around the world. So in economy class you will find 281 seats which are just as comfortable. All of them come with a USB slot and a power plug, a pillow and a blanket, and the same entertainment system as in business class.
I'm the model now with a beverage.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Please come and join.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Right. So this is the economy class experience. The business in economy, right?
Business in economy.
Business in economy. That's what it looks like.
Business and economy.
The king of Egypt.
The foot bed now on your left, thank you.
On a special and historical flight, we were cleared for a low-pass flyby of Doha's skyline as well as Hamad International Airport. So just lean back and enjoy this footage if you're an aviation geek just as much as I am.
Welcome to Doha.
I wanted to take that opportunity to thank everyone involved in this inaugural flight, this historical flight, which I just enjoyed to the fullest. It was a one-in-a-lifetime experience, and I'm grateful that I was able to be part of it. So if you love my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, Qatar Airways, going places together.